moment is. Tonight will be the new advertisement for KFC, and tonight we'll be cooking Chica the Chicken.
And then now
That's right, Chica. We're having KFC.
smite her down with your hook.
Hold on, let me just.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! I didn't tell you to behead her. You just beheaded Chica.
You told me to smite her. You told me to.
Yeah, but not cut her head off.
I did.
Okay, we gotta.
I'm putting on.
God damn it!
Get in the stove. So after that cut, tonight we're making a side dish that's called Mr. Cupcake.
Why did you sound like Matt Pat when you said that?
And that's just a theory, a game theory,
A cooking theory. Cooking.
a cooking theory.
Cupcake looks absolutely terrified being in there. I just gotta say that.
He's like, please don't cook. He's like, please don't cook me. He looks flabbergasted.
Ah! Okay, we got a problem. Hey, I'm just the cameraman. I'm just the cameraman. I'm just a cameraman. Shit.
It's a fox.
You're the chef. This is your fault.
Oh shoot. This is my fault.